Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. How are you? Friends, today my topic to about tell you Desi culture about Dehati culture. Pakistani and Desi culture are beautiful, and I believe that in certain cases appreciation is possible without appropriations. My attention with the column was to bring awareness to Pakistani and Desi culture, which can often be overlooked. There are parts of my culture that make me uncomfortable when non-Desi people participate in them. However, that is not a blanket statement. There are some except I am happy to share. Much like how some Desi people note they were not offended by chai tea and non-Desi people with henna, there may be some Desi people who are upset by the action I consider acceptable. I don't speak for all Desi people, only for myself, a Pakistani American college student. If you meet Desi people who are uncomfortable with something you are doing, listen to them. That being said, there are some part of my culture I am glad to share given they are experienced in a respectful context. Enjoying Bollywood music and movies. Bollywood movies and songs could be enjoyed by Western society and reach a wider global audience. After all, Sailor Moon, Mercedes is found at Hot Topic, and the Korean band BTS won this year Top Social Artist at the Billboard Music Award. While Bollywood is Indian and therefore I am not a complete authority on the subject, I can still attest to industry's significant impact on Pakistani culture. I'm not the biggest connoisseur of Bollywood. I was raised on PBS and Disney. However, that does not mean Bollywood has not impacted my life. My friends and I sang along to Bollywood music video on the way to school. I watched Three Idiot in theater and the song You Are My Sonia was my favorite. I grew up with fingering with friends over Shah Rukh Khan and danced to Bollywood song for multiple weddings. Bollywood films have everything found in Hollywood: exciting plots, comedy, and an abundance of romance, thus driving content and widening the culture understanding of Western viewers. More people talking about the newest Bollywood movie or adding Hindi song to their Spotify playlist allow more Desi creator and artists to authentically depict South Asian settings and characters. Bollywood in mainstream society allow for more Desi representation. One day we have more Priyanka Chopra on our screen wearing Desi cloth in the right context. Please don't wear shalwar kameez or long tunic worn with loose fitting pant to a bohemian themed party or document it as street style for a fashion blog. However, if you are Pakistani, whether for an extended vacations, volunteer, a study abroad, I believe is acceptable to wear the cloth of the country. Not only does it allow for an intimate connection with the culture, but you are less likely to stand out as a foreigner. There is a right and wrong way to wear culture clothing. Angelina Jolie, while volunteering in Pakistan, showed respect. She wore fairly plain frocks and covered her head in village where that style was the norm. Meanwhile, celebrities including Selena Gomez and Gigi Hadid took tourist photos in abayas, big flow dresses that are normally black and worn with hijabs at on Abu Dhabi mosque in the United Arab Emirates. While the celebrating were not in Pakistan, abayas are worn a Muslim women throughout South Asia and Middle East, including Pakistan. They Dogarati poses like Namaste hands and disagreed for a place of worship, likely intended in women as a fashion statement for Instagram, indicate a lack of core stay for the culture. So long as clothing is adorned in the country for a place of respect and not so that you can post photos of yourself doing the pose on internet. I think it's fine to wear Pakistani clothes, and I also think that there are acceptable occasions to wear Pakistani clothes in the West. I once went to Pakistani engagement party where everyone was in traditional clothing in this contest. It would have been appropriate for the mother of one non-Desi family who come wearing a dress to wear Pakistani cloth. If my non-Desi friends attend a traditional dinner party on Pakistani wedding, if my non-Desi friends attend a traditional dinner party or Pakistani weddings, they are welcome to borrow my Pakistani clothes to feel comfortable integrated into the event contest. Eating Pakistani food. It unfortunate that most people go their whole lives never trying Pakistani foods like the rice dish, biryani, or authentic chicken tikka. Pakistani food was the hardest for me to give up after turned vegetarian. While bhindi, okra, and vegetarian kofta are tasty non-meat options. I grew up especially loving chicken curries. For street chart in Pakistan to Lose Angels restaurant like Shahnawaz, Halal, Tandoori and New Bilal restaurant. There are plenty of way to try authentic Pakistani foods. We even tried Trader Joe's samosas, which it bad. You could also try cooking yourself, and while there's something special in having a Pakistani parent teach you old family recipe, you can still find some tasty website, one being the Desi Cookbook. Food can really be appointed and obviously authentic food always taste better, so it always best to find the Pakistani restaurant in your area. You could also try cooking yourself, and while there's something special in having a Pakistani parent teach you old family recipe, you can still find some tasty website, one being the Desi Cook. Food can really be appointed and obviously authentic food always tastes better. It always best to find the biggest Pakistani restaurant in your areas. Maybe even order a real chai while you read it. Friends, to this is my video. Please like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.